the red light means that it's filming.
Oh, okay, so I had missed everything.
Is that Maeve on me?
Hey, Maeve. 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 Hi.
Oh, not on my head, Maeve. Seriously, not on my head. I feel like sweat. Finn, do not throw sand. We'll have to go home. You can put it on my back, that's one thing, but don't throw it. Hey, Maeve, you done? Hey, look, the waves are kicking up. Look at that guy. There she is, off to the sea.
Come on, come on. Come on over there. Let us see you coming up.
What? The seal's waking up? Oh, you getting that? Oh my god, I have so much sand down my pants. Oh, this is awful. I don't think so, kiddo. He's still not doing too well.